Investments in Tbilisi. Tbilisi, the capital of Georgia, is attracting more and more foreign investors with its unique real estate opportunities. This city, rich in history and culture, offers a wide range of investment properties. From old houses in the historic center to modern apartments and new residential complexes. In this article, we will take an in-depth look at the Tbilisi real estate market, discussing recent trends, price ranges by neighborhood, average rental rates, and investment opportunities. Tbilisi real estate is becoming increasingly popular with foreign investors, and there are many reasons why you may want to buy real estate in Tbilisi. Housing prices in Tbilisi are very attractive, especially compared to other European capitals, and renting in Tbilisi can be a great source of income. Real estate investments in Tbilisi is a chance to become part of the unique culture and history of this city. Tbilisi real estate market overview. Tbilisi real estate market is divided into several key segments: residential real estate, commercial real estate, and land plots. Residential real estate includes both secondary housing and new buildings. Secondary housing is usually located in historic districts of the city and often requires renovation, but offers a unique flavor and proximity to cultural attractions. New buildings, on the other hand, offer modern facilities and comfort, but their prices may be higher. Commercial real estate in Tbilisi includes office buildings, shopping centers, hotels, and other facilities. This segment of the market is actively developing, especially in light of the growing tourist flow. Land plots are also in demand, especially in the rural areas around Tbilisi. They offer an opportunity for the construction of individual housing or commercial facilities. Real estate prices in Tbilisi vary depending on the location, type of property, and its condition. In general, they are considered quite affordable compared to other European capitals, which makes Tbilisi attractive for investment. Realty. Tbilisi's real estate market continues to evolve and adapt to the changing needs of buyers and investors. This, together with steady economic growth and political stability, makes it a promising location for real estate investment. Buying real estate in Tbilisi is an excellent investment, as the capital of Georgia attracts more and more tourists and businessmen, which means that the demand for housing will only grow. In addition, the state actively supports real estate investments and offers foreign investors a number of advantages. There are several important aspects to consider when buying real estate in Tbilisi. Firstly, it is necessary to carefully check the documents for the property to avoid problems with title documents. Secondly, it is recommended to contact a professional realtor who will help you find a suitable property. Negotiate with the seller and finalize the transaction. In Tbilisi, there are various real estate options to buy, from small apartments in new houses to luxury villas in the historical districts of the city. Properties in the city center, especially in the old city, are more expensive, but also attract more tourists. At the same time, more affordable options can be found in the dormitory areas. In addition, it is possible to buy land plots for construction in Tbilisi. Land prices vary depending on the location and area of the plot. In general, buying real estate in Tbilisi is a profitable and promising investment that can bring a good income in the future. Real estate for rent in Tbilisi. Renting in Tbilisi also offers a wide range of options. The average rental rate for a one-bedroom apartment in the city center is around $300 minus $400 per month. And for a two-bedroom apartment it is around $500 minus $600 per month. In suburban neighborhoods, rental rates can be lower by 30 to 50%. However, despite the seeming appeal of renting, buying your own home in Tbilisi may be a better option for several reasons. First, when you rent, You are spending money every month that is not paid back to you and does not generate income. When you buy a home, even if you have taken out a mortgage and are paying monthly interest to the bank, you are still investing in your own property, which may increase in value over time. Secondly, when renting, you are always dependent on the will of the landlord. He can decide at any time not to renew the lease or to raise the rent. When you buy a home, you become a full-fledged owner and can do whatever you want with it. Thirdly, buying your own housing gives you the opportunity to rent it out and earn additional income, even if you do not plan to live in Tbilisi all year round. You can rent out your apartment during your absence. Fourth, when you buy a home, you can qualify for Georgian citizenship under the Golden Visa program, which gives you additional benefits. Thus, buying your own housing in Tbilisi can be a more profitable and promising option than renting. Investment opportunities. Tbilisi offers excellent opportunities for real estate investment. Especially attractive are areas with rapidly growing demand, such as Sabortalo, Vake and Gadari. These areas are characterized by active construction, plenty of social infrastructure and high rental demand. In addition, Tbilisi also offers opportunities for business investment. Sectors such as tourism, restaurant business and technology are particularly promising. The Georgian government offers a number of incentives for foreign investors, including low taxes and the possibility of obtaining citizenship through investment. There are also many investment opportunities in the agribusiness sector. Georgia is known for its high-quality vineyards, and winemaking is one of the key sectors of the country's economy. Investments in this sector can yield significant returns, given the growing international demand for Georgian wine. Finally, investments in education and healthcare can also be profitable. Tbilisi has several major universities and the demand for quality education is constantly growing. At the same time, the healthcare sector needs modernization and development, which creates many opportunities for investment. Life in Tbilisi. Life in Tbilisi is a unique combination of Oriental hospitality and European comfort. The city surprises with its contrasts. There are ancient streets with modern buildings, traditional restaurants with trendy bars and clubs. The cultural life of Tbilisi is rich and diverse. Numerous festivals, exhibitions and concerts are held here. The city's infrastructure is well developed. There are a large number of schools, kindergartens, hospitals, supermarkets and shopping centers. Tbilisi also attracts with its beautiful parks, monuments and places for recreation. On average, life in Tbilisi is relatively inexpensive compared to many European cities. The cost of renting a one-room apartment in the city center can range from $300 to $500 per month. Utility bills, including electricity, heating, cooling, water, and garbage, are about $50 to $100 per month. Meals are also relatively cheap. The average bill in an inexpensive restaurant is about $5 to $10 per person. And a month's worth of groceries in a supermarket will cost $150 to $200. Transportation in Tbilisi is also affordable. A monthly pass for public transportation costs about $10. In general, with all expenses taken into account, you can expect that living in Tbilisi will cost between $600 and $1,000 per month, depending on lifestyle and personal preferences. Future prospect. Forecasts for the real estate market in Tbilisi are quite optimistic. However, before making a decision to buy real estate, it is important to conduct a thorough market analysis and take into account all possible risks. If you need more information or advice on buying real estate in Tbilisi, you can contact us.